Biglang nag-end yung video.
Biglang nag-end. Okay lang, okay lang.
Okay na, okay na. Magano mo. Pakita mo konti lang. Yan. Gano mo. Baba.
Uy.
Wow.
Ano yun?
Second team downs binigay nila.
Soften up the opponents. Don't hit now.
Go deep now.
Ayun pala yung ano, inaano natin. Pakita mo yung Blue Eagle Gym sa loob.
Ikaw ang magagaling yan.
Oma.
Si Uncle James, nanonood.
Uy, nanonood siya.
Hello, Uncle James.
Hello po, Uncle James.
Ang kalaban namin,
Good morning.
Canada.
We are here live at Blue Eagle Gym, Ateneo de Manila University, Manila. Ateneo de Manila, yeah. Alright, here we go.
John Chucky. Yeah. Dolls. He's got a coaching plan. Check it.
Okay, sa tao.
Diyan mo?
You have the little book. Yeah, he franchise. Is that a franchise? Yeah, that's his franchise. And then you try again. Out. As long as you have kids and you have to go to the place. I don't even recognize his coaches. What did you saw in Facebook or Slater or Governor? I think they are based in Let's go! Friends told me he spent a lot of money for that. Nice pass.
Backward. Hey, second.
Good game.
Nice, D. Next up naman. Nice.
Straight up. And
Dito pa na tayo.
Go, Marcin!
Hello, Tita Judith.
Hi,
Good
tita.
morning. Live here at Ateneo de Manila.
Ready mo na yung lunch namin. Bang, bang!
Official score po natin. Official score 10-0 in favor of white. Ay, maroon pala, sorry. In favor of maroon.
Navy Queens.
Nanibago ako kasi. 10-0 in favor of Pinili Queensland. Good shot. No good. Good. Pass to number 1. 3. Rebound. Huli. Rebound by Shane. Fast break. Basket counts. And 1. Bonus free throw for Shane. Basket counts.
Time out.
Official score po natin, 13-1 in favor of Pinili Queensland. 13-1.
Kita pa rin sa away. Kita pa rin sa away. Taray away.
Back to the ball game. Ayun na, pinasok na po si Pia.
Let's go, Pinili Queensland! Ayun na, si Tia's there.
Pinili on defense. Nice D. Nice defense by number 18, Sofia. Pinili on offense. Pass to 18. Pass to Shane. Crossover. Floater. That's good. No. No basket.
Uy.
Foul on Shane. First personal, second team foul. Good defense. Backward violation.
Let's go!
Pinili on ball possession. Number 1, holding the ball. Takes the shot. No good. Same ball. Inbound by Shane. Pass to 1.
Bang!
Nice floater. Good shot, number 1. Pinili on defense. Good defense. Foul on number 19. Second personal. Second personal foul. Foul on 18. Nice steal. Pass to Pakwa. Nice screen. Pass to Shane. 4-3. Short. Rebound. Pinili. 4-3. Rebound by Shane. Pass to fast break play. Pass to Shane. What a pass. Good pass. Official score 73 in favor of Pinili, Queensland. Nice block. Fast break play. Pass to number 5. That's a foul. And 1 play. Foul counted. Bonus shot for number 5. Bonus shot is good. Rebound by number 4. Too strong. Pass to 4 again. Pass by 4. That's short. Rebound. Number 1. Good shot. Two points by number 18. Sofia Pacua. Number 12.
Hands up, hands up.
Too short. Fast break play.
Ay, ay, ay! Steal, steal!
Foul counted. Official score 22-5 in favor of Pinili. In favor of Pinili, Queensland. 22-5.
Brad, make sure mo na papan mo pa agad ah.
Yeah.
So walang delay ah. Baka kailangan mo ba ng wifi? Hindi na. Ay.
Ay!
Hindi nakabuka na ako eh.
I-check ko kasi yung kay Tia.
Bonus shot for number 12.
Kay Jacob ko muna ako na.
Hindi, sinecheck ko yung kay Jason.
Pero sa akin dyan lang ako na. Diba?
Wait lang. Sige, offer mo na.
Short. Pinili Queensland on ball possession.
Uy!
Dunk it!
Grabe! All yours!
Nice, Abby!
2 points. Takes the 3. Short. Too strong.
Nice pass!
Pass was too strong.
Mga ganun, pan-Lebron yan.
Pinili Queensland on defense.
Hands up!
Push!
Pia on the ball. Foul. Foul on number 11. Shooting 2 for a shot. That's good. Second shot by number 13. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line. No good.
Defense!
Defense!
Good defense.
Nice shot.
First personal foul. Shooting 2. Number 4.
Rebound!
2 shots are good. Pass to Villa. Pass to number 1. Setting the play. Pass to 13. Step back. Pass to Villa. Takes the 3.
Defense!
Rebound. Too strong. Pass to number 1. Last break play. Pass to short. 2 points. 2 points by number 8. Good shot.
Let's go, Pinili! Let's go, Pinili!
Too strong. But it was good.
10 seconds! 10 seconds! 9,
Nice shape.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Official score, 10-27. In favor of Pinili, Queensland. 10-27. Second quarter. Second quarter na po tayo.
Best quarter pa lang, no?
Yun. O, sa mga ating supporting mommies and daddies, ay naman tayo dyan.
Nice.
Yan.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you!
Three shots for... Three shots for number 28. First shot, no good. Third shot. Defense.
Pick. Yeah. Yeah. Shoot that.
Good shot. Number 7. Pinili on offense. That's a foul. Was it on the face? Score 11-29. 11-29. Pass to Fia.
Kaliwa!
One back.
Defense!
Corner. Hey, not bad. And one.
And one. Official score 11-31 in favor. 11-31 in favor of Pinili Queensland. First shot, no good. Bonus shot. Rebound by Pinili again. Pass 2.
Bang, bang!
Almost. Nice steal. Pacwa dribbling the ball. Pass to Ordonio. Ordonio driving. To 3.
Bang!
No good.
Defense! Defense!
Short. Rebound by Pia. Fast break play. Fast break play.
Aqua! Tama na ba? Yung napilido.
Nice shot by Pacwa. Pass to number 28. 3 points. Too short. Rebound number 7. Pass to 18. Pacwa. Fast break play.
Kaya na.
Nice shot. Too strong. Uy. Good call, ref. That's third for personal foul for the other player. Inbound, number 19, Shane. What a play. Good shot. Good anticipation. Shane, fast break play, Shane. White ball. Inbound. Official score 11-35. Rebound. Shane handling the ball. Pass to Pia. Pia setting the play. Pass to 19, Shane. What a drive. Too strong. Pass break play. Good shot. Pia. Pakwa dribbling the ball. Pass to Shane. Shane for 3. Too strong. Good.
Oh, nice!
Traveling violation. Official score 13:35. 13:35. Good steal. Nice defense. Number 12 on the ball. Pass to number 11. She's open. Takes the 3. No good. Rebound. Number 1. Drives. No good. Rebound by number 1. Nice move. Pass to number 4. Pass to 1. Nice shot. Good shot, number 11. Pass to number 11. Pass to corner. Number 1. Good move. That's a foul. Official score po natin 13-38 in favor of Pinili Queensland. 13-38 in favor of Pinili. Quarter is second quarter.
Ano, okay na?
First shot is good. Second shot by number 1. Too strong. Pass to Shane, number 19. Fast break play. Layup is good. Two points by Gadi, number 19. Pass to number 4. Good play, too strong. Fast break play again. Number 1.
Yes, sir!
Good shot by number 1. Rebound play. Too strong. Pass to Shane, number 1. Pass to number 1. Setting the play. Pass to number 5. That's good. She's open. Official score 14-45. So number 11, pass to 12. Pass to 11 again. Finding someone. What a pass. Too strong. Number 4. Pass to 11. Takes the shot. Short. Pass to Shane. Pass to Shane. Pass to number 1. Almost a steal. Setting the play. Pass to Shane. Pass to 1. Pass to number 4. Out of bounds. Kasi yung lumaligaw yung commentator ko.
Defense!
Wide team on defense. On offense, rather. Too strong. Error pass. Number 1. Pass to 19. Drives. That's good. She's open. Too strong. Number 5. Rebound by Kushi. Official score 14-47 in favor of Pinili.
Get there. ISO. Bang, bang.
Post. Rebound. Fast break. Number 1 on ISO. Pass to 12. Corner. Takes the 3. Too strong. Number 1 setting the play. Pass to 5. Gucci. Hand off to Gadi. Shane. Pass to 11. Too strong. Too strong. Good D. Number 1. Running the ball. Touch the feet. Pass to Shane. Takes the 3. That's short. Number 12. Sorry. Pass to number 1. Corner. Drives. Stolen by Shane. Fast break play. Easy shot. 5 seconds left. 3, 2. Shot. Official score 14-49 in favor of Pinili. We are now on second half, third quarter. Official score 14-49 in favor of Pinili Queensland. In favor of Pinili Queensland, 14-49. We're here live at the Blue Eagle Gym, Ateneo de Manila University. Back to the ball game.
Steal!
Nice defense. Stolen. Too strong. Nice D. Nice defense.
Push! Push!
Fast break play.
Go!
That's a Shane. Setting the play.
Hey! There you go!
Good shot, number 8.
Hands up! Hands up lang.
Maxine, hands up lang, hands up.
First team foul. Foul on Maxine. First shot. It's good. Second shot. Too short. Number 5, Gushi. Driving. Pass to number 1. Pass to 19, Shane. Pass to 11. On the post. Too strong. Good defense. Number 1 setting the play. Pass to 19. Shane. That's a foul. Foul on 24. Hindi, tanong mo po sa mga phone mo.
Lang nagkakaroon.
Hindi, okay. May kita yun lang nag-hangin nila. Foul on number 11. Gadula. Foul on 11, Gadula. Rebound play. The 1.
Come on, Shane!
Shane for 3. That's good. Shane from the arc. Good D. Good defense. Stolen. 2 versus 1.
Kaya ko, foul na naman yun.
Substitution. 18 for number 11. That's 18. Nice steal. Fia, pass break play. It's okay, it's okay. You didn't see the ball. Stolen again. Pass break play. Shot is good. Kushi, number 12. Pass to number 8, too strong. Timeout Film Nation. Score, official score, 17-56 in favor of Pinili Queensland. 17-56.
Naano na ako sa mamaya. Okay. Okay din. Para pahinga.
After ito na.
Gutom naman ang gutom. Sushi, hindi nakakain ng ulan. Nakatulog ka sa kagabi. Kami kasi. Tapos na kasi tayo. Si mama kayo mo. First time ito
Not bad. You give it to me, bro. You know, bro. Pia!
Inbound play. Pass to 1. Pass to 5. She's open. Good shot. Number 8. Stolen. Good block. Kakwa, fast break play. Same ball. Inbound play, number 1. Pass to 5. Pass to Janine. Pass to Fia, she's open. Pass to Shane. Bang! Shane from the arc. 3 points. She's open. Too strong. Foul on number 4. Pass 2. Number 12, 3-point line. Too short. Stolen. By number 5, Kushi. Foul. Second personal. Forced team foul. 2 shots. First shot. No good. Second shot. Inbound play. Pass to Fia. To Shane. Rebound. Nice foul. 2 shots for number 5, Kushi. Fourth personal foul. First shot, no good.
Take our time.
Second shot is good. Substitution.
So they were behind.
Stolen by Fia. Same ball. Last touch by number 18. Official score 18-62 in favor of Pinili, Queensland. Too strong. Pass to Ella. Too short. Number 1 driving the ball. Pass to 8. Good defense.
Si Ref? Tatlo na?
Third personal foul.
Okay.
Penalty ba?
Penalty na ba?
Hindi nila may...
How?
Penalty? Ref, penalty ba?
Sayang?
Pwede come...
Timeout po yan. Timeout po yan.
Timeout. Timeout left pala. Sorry.
Thank you, Ref!
Sorry.
Timeout left.
Official score.
Kasi sinabi niya. Anyway, it's okay.
Official score 18-62. Second shot. It's good. Second shot.
Fix your board.
Pass to number 1. Pass to Pia. 3 seconds violation.
Anticipate the pass!
Stepping on the line. Rebound by Kushi.
Ref!
Good shot.
Baka mahabol pa yan.
Pia.
Grabe!
Sorry. Too strong, sorry. Nice steal. Reset. That's a foul. Foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Good play. May bagong si Gab. Ay, nako, tita. Still am on offense. Number 7. Dribbling the ball. Drive. 2 points. Fia. Pakwa. Setting the play. Pass to 13. She's open. Pass to 11. Takes the shot. 2 points. Official score 23-64. Good block. Jump ball. Whose ball, ref? Whose ball? Same ball. White ball. Akala ko katabi din kami dito.
Hi, Tita Connie. Sabihin mo, hi, Tita Connie.
Hello po, Tita Connie. Pass to 13. 13. Uy! That's good.
Ref, foul yung foul.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Nice.
No good. Pass to number 28. Wrong pass. Pass to 4. She's open. Too strong. Number 7. Fast break play by Pia. Pass to 11. Good shot. White team. Stolen. Good shot. Good shot. Too strong, number 4.
Go!
Pia. Pass to 13. Pia for 3. Same ball. What a pass. That's actually a foul. 5 seconds! 5 seconds to shoot! 2 seconds! 2 seconds to shoot!
Pia, get the ball! Get the ball, Pia!
Pia, get the ball! 2 seconds! Level up ka na talaga, Janine Sofia, playing Ateneo Gym. Wow. Level up daw si Pia, naglalaro na sa Ateneo. Tita Connie.
Yes. Sunod yan mo na.
As if they are trailing by...
Hopefully, Moarina.
And Smart. Nakita ko
Match, you know, they're only like 1 minute days. They've been together for 4 days, you know.
Official score, 23-70.
Like, you know, they're playing.
23-70 in favor of Pinili, Queensland. 23-70. We are now on the 4th quarter.
Boys, they have their own ways. Sometimes, well, most of the boys, like, they want to show Actually not being like a team.
No, but they want to do what they see on TV.
Yeah.
But they don't realize the guy doing it on TV has been practicing that for years.
Ano daw? How do you do that?
I still like old
Ano yung tall? Ano yung tall? Time out?
Time out left. 4th quarter. Pass to number 11. Good move. Number 12. 24. Takes the 3. Wow. 3 points by number 24, T. Pass to Alea. Number 5. Pass to 13. She's open. Takes a 3. Bang! 3 points. Pass to 11. Pass to 4. Inbound. Pass to 12. Takes a shot. Perimeter. Good shot. Pinili on offense. Setting the play. 18. Pass to Alea. Alea. driving the ball. Pass to 11. Sorry. Out of bounds, same ball. Pass to 11. 11. 4. Drives.
Kontak lang eh.
First shot for Philem. I can't see her number. Too strong. Rebound number 7. Rebound. Pass to 18, Via. Pass to Gucci. Third personal foul. Third personal foul. Number 11 takes the 2. 3 points, rather. Too strong, Via. Jump ball. Wow, that's a good shot. Wow. 3 points for number 6. Shout out sa commentator. Hello po. Si Kambal po ang nagko-commentate. Shane for 3. Bang! Wow. Answered back the 3. Number 11 drives. Pass to kick out. Corner. Number 12 takes the 3. That's short. But that's a foul. Short. One more. It's okay, it's okay. Last shot for Philem. Good shot. Pass to Via. Pass to Shane. Pass to 1. Pass to Via again. Inbound, out of bounds.
Still out there.
24, takes a shot. Short. Pass to 1.
Go, Via, go! Woo!
Almost an end 1. Too strong for number 18. First shot good by Pakwa. First shot is good. Second shot. Short. Rebound by. Score is 32-77. 32-77 in favor of Maroon. Takes the shot. Short. Too strong. Pass to number 5. What a pass. Sorry. Oh no. Pass from the outside. Inbound number 12. Pass to 8. Is it 8 seconds? Rebound by Shane. Fast break play. Wow. Almost an end one. Alley-oop play. Wow. Shout out kay Tita Judith. Shout out Tita Judith de Alvia. Shout out sa ating viewers. First shot is no good. Second shot for Via. Too strong. Rebound by number 11. Same ball. Yes, the Pinay Elite connection. Pass to 11. Takes the 3. Almost. Wow. Almost went in. Inbound play. Shane inbounding the ball. Pass to Via. Jump ball. Good shot. Fast break play. Official score 32-77. 34-77. Two versus one. Good defense. Hello from Dubai, good morning. Hello from Dubai, good morning sa mga BFF ni Pia na maingay all the way from DG. Good morning po sa ating lahat.
Hello, Tita Jen.
Tita Jen.
Maaga pa dyan.
Tita Jen, no? Maaga pa.
Maaga pa dyan, no? Thank you for supporting us. May mangga kayo dyan, ng mga taga-Dubai. Dahil dyan.
May manggaraw ang mga taga Dubai. Wait nyo lang po.
Load lang.
Time out, pinili Queensland. Time out. Pwede na kambal. Pwede ka na kambal. Nice voice. Thank you, tita. Thank you po. Inbounding mo play. Number 28. Defense.
Oh, nice move.
Rebound. Pass to Shane. Shane. Fast break play. Pass to Kushi. That's good. Good move by number 1. Pass to number 12. Floater. No good. Rebound by. Nice shot, number 12. Pass to Shane. Shane. Pass to 5. Kushi. Finding someone. Pass to. Substitution. Official score 36-79. 36-79 in favor of Pinili Queensland. Passes 28. From the center. 12. Good shot. Number 4. Pass to 18. Good anticipation. Pass to 8. Nice pass. Nice shot. Number 1. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Number 1. What a pass. And 1. Bonus free throw. Bonus free throw. Number 11, bonus free throw. First shot. Only 1 shot. Rebound by number 12.
I haven't FC for a long time.
Number 1, dribbling the ball.
Come on, Bell.
Ano masa likod eh? White ball.
Steve! Steve!
Number 12, drive. Good move. Good pass. Oh no, sorry. Sorry, that's on me.
Foul pa siya.
First shot. It's good. Second shot.
They're not inside their games. They've just been going to build it up.
On rebound. Good shot. 47 seconds left. Good move.
100.
Wow. 30 seconds left. 43-85 ang score. 43-85. Drive. Number 1 driving.
Corner trap.
Pass to 8. 18 seconds left. Good move. Nice handles by number 8. Congratulations, Team Pinili, for this game. First shot is good.
Mamaya mapapalaban.
12 seconds left. Total time, 12 seconds left. Rebound by Ala. Pass to Shane. Shane takes the three. No good. Final score. Final score.
Maganda pala yung pinili Queens.
See you later po. We have second game. 3 p.m. Meron tayong second game, another game at 3 p.m. Thank you so much sa ating mga viewers.
Thank you for watching.
Like, subscribe na lang po sa ating channel.
Taga Dubai, salamat.
Thank you so much, Dubai family. See you later at 3 p.m. Sige mo. Ating mga parents. Tignan natin ang ating mga players. Congratulations to Team Penili Queensland. Players natin. Guys, say hi to the live. Congratulations. Pa, congrats. Great job, Pia. Ang place po natin, we're here at Ateneo. Blue Eagle Gym. Tita Judith. Say hi to Tita Judith. Final score is 44-87. 44-87. Thank you so much everyone. End na po natin ang live. Bye-bye.